Okay, so next is normal to the hyperbola. If we repeat some previous points, then for hyperbola, na, okay, see, equation of hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Okay. Okay, along with x axis, if coefficient of x square is positive, then hyperbola along with x axis. If coefficient of y square is positive, then hyperbola is along with y axis. This point is a comma 0. This one is minus a comma 0. Okay, and transverse axis, and this one is conjugate axis. This point is 0 comma b, and here you will get 0 comma minus b. Any point on this hyperbola, general point is a sec theta comma b tan theta. Okay na, because a sec theta comma b tan theta always satisfy this equation. So this is the general point. Equation of tangent at any point is, suppose this is any point P whose parametric angle is theta, it means point is a sec theta comma b tan theta, general point. Then equation of tangent is t equals to 0. From that one you will get x by a sec theta minus y by b tan theta equals to 1. This is the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent in slope form. This is in parametric form. In slope form, y equals to mx plus minus root a square m square minus b square. Okay. In case of ellipse, here we have plus b square. In hyperbola, here we have minus b square. Okay na? Eccentricity for hyperbola is root 1 plus b square by a square. Okay. If you simplify this one, then you will get a relation between ABE, that is b square equals to a square into e square minus 1. Okay. Then minus a square at this side, this one, and also remember one thing, that a square plus b square is equals to a square e square. In case of ellipse, a square minus b square is equals to a square e square. In hyperbola, a square plus b square is equals to a square e square. From this one we are getting now. Okay. Okay, now let's start normal to the hyperbola. Okay, normal. Any point P, this is tangent at P. Suppose parametric angle is theta, or if you want to write a point in a Cartesian form, then P is x1 comma y1. Okay. Now normal at P is a line passing through P and perpendicular to tangent. This is the normal at P. Now we know that equation of tangent at point P is x by a sec theta minus y by b tan theta equal to 1. Okay, this is the equation of tangent. But what do you want? We want equation of normal. Now can I use the equation of tangent to get equation of normal? Obviously, because normal is perpendicular to tangent now. So if tangent is ax plus by equal to c, then normal is bx minus ay equal to k. Okay, I can use the m1 m2 equals to minus 1. So equation of normal at point P, bx, b is coefficient of y. So can I write directly, let equation of normal is tan theta by b into x plus ay, because here we have minus na, so in normal I am using plus sign, plus sec theta by a into y equal to c. Okay, where c is unknown constant, we have to find the value of c. Easily you can check for these two lines. If you check for m1 into m2, you will get minus 1. Okay na? So it means this one is perpendicular to this equation of tangent. Okay, now we want value of c. How to get? Just put point P, because P lies on normal. Put point P, a sec theta comma b tan theta. So if you put this point in this equation, you will get value of c, and c is x as a sec theta, y as b tan theta. This is the value of c. You can take common sec theta into tan theta. Then here what you will get? A by b, and here b by a. Okay, put value of c in this equation. Now we are getting, so equation of normal 8p is tan theta by b into x plus sec theta by a into y equal to c. C is sec theta into tan theta into a by b plus b by a. Okay, if you take LCM AB, multiply AB at this side. Okay, so if you multiply with AB, B cancel out. Here you will get AX, and divide with sec theta tan theta, then tan cancel out. Then in denominator you will get sec theta. AX by sec theta, AB, A cancel out, plus BY, divide with this one, sec cancel out, by tan theta equals to, here what we are getting? A square plus B square. Okay, so this is the equation of normal at any point P. Ax by sec theta plus by by tan theta equals to a square plus b square. If you want in terms of x1 comma y1, in terms of x1 comma y1, now just simply here P is a sec theta comma b tan theta. It means I want this one in terms of P as x1 comma y1 now. So replace a sec theta with x1 and b tan theta with y1. Okay, so multiply with a, then in numerator and denominator what we are getting? A square x. Then here what we have? A sec theta can be written as x1 plus multiply with b in numerator denominator, b square y, b tan theta is y1. Okay, equal to a square plus b square. This is the equation of normal in terms of x1 comma y1. A square x by x1 plus b square y by y1 equals to a square plus b square. And also one thing, here you can write either a square plus b square, and other value of a square plus b square is a square e square. It means this one or this one. You can write both now. So ax sec theta, ax by sec theta plus by by tan theta equals to a square plus b square or a square e square. At the place of this one also you can write this, because both are same thing. Okay, so this is the equation of normal. Write down. Now we will take some questions. Can I have कर देता so okay, write a question. A normal to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Meet the axis in M and N and lines MP and NP are drawn perpendicular to the axis meeting at P. Prove that the locus of P is the hyperbola a square x square minus b square y square equal to a square plus b square whole square. Okay, now the simply question is given that a normal to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1 made the axis in M and N. Okay, and the lines MP and NP are drawn perpendicular to the axis. Okay, meeting at point P, prove that locus of P is hyperbola. Okay, now see, simply suppose this is the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. A normal is drawn at any point. So suppose this is the normal at this point, normal at this point. A normal is drawn at any point, made the axis at M and N. Okay, after that lines MP and NP are drawn perpendicular to the axis. MP is perpendicular to the axis, this is MP, okay, and NP are also perpendicular. This is perpendicular to y axis, this one is perpendicular to x axis, MP and NP. So P must be point of intersection. Okay, na, perpendicular. Now we have to prove that locus of point P is this one. To find the locus of any point, first step is assume that point as h comma k. Okay. Now you want relation between h and k. This is the equation of normal. No, this is the normal. So equation of normal. Ax by sec theta plus by by tan theta equals to a square plus b square. Okay, this is the equation of normal at any point. Now this normal intersect the x axis at M. Can you find the coordinate of M? Obviously, easily we can find. Coordinate of M is, to get the coordinate of M, just put y equals to 0 because point lies on x axis. If you put y equals to 0, then this goes to 0. What we are getting? X equals to, we are getting M as a square plus b square into sec theta and by a. Okay, na, comma 0. And point N is, for N put x equals to 0 because N lies on y axis. Then you will get y coordinate as a square plus b square into tan theta by b. Okay, now you want relation between h and k. Now can I say that OMPN is a rectangle? Obviously 90 degree na both. So this one is a rectangle, then property of rectangle is midpoint of MN is equals to midpoint of OP. Midpoint of MN is equals to midpoint of OP. Okay. Now midpoint of MN is this one plus this one by 2. This one plus this one by 2 is equals to, for OP, h plus 0 by 2. So if you equate midpoint, then you will get this one plus this one equals to h plus 0. It means a square plus b square by a into sec theta is equals to h, and y1 plus y2 by 2 equals to k plus 0 by 2. 2 cancel out, then you will get a square plus b square into tan theta by b equal to k. So what do you want? We want relation between h and k. From this one you will get value of sec theta, from this one value of tan theta. Use sec square minus tan square equals to 1. Okay, now see, we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Sec square theta is ah by a square plus b square whole square, and tan square theta is bk by a square plus b square whole square equal to 1. Okay, this is the locus. Now at the end we have to replace h as x and k as y, then you will get this one. Okay na? So see, a square h square can be written as x square, LCM is a square plus b square whole square na, and b square y square equal to a square plus b square whole square. Okay, this is the locus. Okay, write down. Next, find the locus of foot of perpendicular from the center upon any normal to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Okay. So what do you want? Locus of the foot of perpendicular from the center upon any normal. Okay, simply see. Hyperbola, normal at any point. Suppose this is the normal at this point. Okay, and this is O, center of the hyperbola. Okay, see. So what do you want? We want locus of foot of perpendicular from center upon any normal. So perpendicular from center upon any normal. So this is perpendicular. Now you want locus of this point P, H comma K. Okay. Equation of normal is ax by sec theta plus by by tan theta equals to a square plus b square or a square e square, both are same thing. I am writing at this time a square e square. Okay. Now what do you want? Anyhow you want relation between h and k. Okay. So how to get? See. First thing that m1, this one is perpendicular to this line na? Okay. So m1 m2 equals to minus 1. So can I say that m of Cp, okay, OP, again change this C as O, into m of normal is equals to minus 1. Okay. Slope of OP is k by h, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay. Slope of normal is minus a tan theta by b sec theta, this one equal to minus 1. Okay. Okay. Now from this one minus will be cancelled out. I am finding the value of k. K is h b sec theta by a tan theta. Okay. Equation number 1. You want relation between h and k na? Now to get relation between h and k, we can't allow sec theta, tan theta in answer. These are unknown values na. So we want another relation also, so that by using two equation I can find the relation between h and k. Okay, how can I get any other relation? Oh, simple. H comma k lies on normal. Okay. So put h comma k in this equation, then what we are getting, a h by sec theta plus b k by tan theta equal to a square e square. Okay, 1 minute. From this one, actually here we have relation, and here we want to neglect sec theta and tan theta. It means I have to use sec square minus tan square equals to 1. It means I have to find the value of sec theta and tan theta. Sec theta and tan theta na, then here put the value of sec theta or tan theta, choose anything. Okay, I am writing a tan theta at this side. Okay, see, k into a tan theta. Okay na, k into a tan theta, minus cancel out, this one at this side. Now put the value of either sec theta or tan theta, choose anyone. Okay, I am putting the value of tan theta first. So ah by sec theta, I will find the value of sec theta and tan theta, then we will use sec square minus tan square equals to 1. Okay, so what do you want, bk 1 by tan theta, so bk outside. Now put value of tan theta. Tan theta is equals to this one by this one, so this is in denominator, hb sec theta, and this one in numerator, because here tan theta in denominator na, ka. Okay, equals to a square e square. Now see, b cancel out, I can take common sec theta a by sec theta we can take common. Then here what we are getting, only h, and here a by sec theta common, k by h. If you take LCM, sorry, k square by h, if you take LCM h, and h square plus k square equals to a square e square or a square plus b square. Okay, again I am using a square plus b square, no problem. Why? Bas ऐसे ही. Now from this one find the value of sec theta. Sec theta is equals to cross multiplication a by h into h square plus k square by a square plus b square. Similarly, if you put value of sec theta in this equation, then you will get value of tan theta. I know tan theta equals to, you will get b by k, b by k into h square plus k square by a square plus b square. Okay, now use sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. This one square minus this one square equals to 1. Out of these two you can take common. When we are putting the value na, this one square we can take common, h square plus k square by a square plus b square whole square, sec square minus tan square, so this one square minus this one square, a square by h square minus b square by k square equal to 1. Okay, so this is the locus. At the end just replace h with x and k with y. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay.